Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle. In the additional, no, not the additional, the puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, October the 12th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles. The 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Technolog. If you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle number 9428. 9428. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also 26 printed digits. 26. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let me start with the O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Now the double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Now the double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Then we are stuck here. No, between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. We have here 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O's, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Then I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Double O's. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you need to wait. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. If I place 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth O, 1 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. About here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. We have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now, 4 O's, okay. Now. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O, double O's. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the 5th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between the O's comes an 1 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this second row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Finished. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. 7 minutes. We saw it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle for today. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.